We have some Christmas leftovers and we're gonna be cooking some sort of concoction. Our family out here in California made a couple big roasts with vegetables, gave us a whole Ziploc big old bag full of it, and I'm hungry right now, so I wanna make some sort of a concoction. We are using the Blackstone 22-inch Adventure Ready griddle. Throw some of this on here. Now I can put the dome on here to try to steam these, but they're already steamed, they're already cooked. So I think I'm just going to reheat it here. Turn this griddle down a little bit. Smells wonderful. I do have to give a quick thanks to Brian and his wife Shauna for cooking this up and giving us these leftovers. Some of this meat's pretty big, look at that. Shred it up a little bit. I'm gonna just add a little bit of pepper. Just kind of cutting up a few potatoes, just so they'll fit a little better in the tortilla and help heat them up a little. All right, like I said, this is probably good enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in this glass Pyrex bowl here. For more videos like this, hit subscribe. I'm gonna be putting out a lot of content. Now I'm going to clean the griddle. Now let's assemble our burrito. A little bit of cheese. A little bit more cheese. And let's wrap it up. I'm just going to leave it on here and let it toast a little bit. Quick flip, nice toasty. Let's go plate it and cut it open. All right, moment of truth. Oh, that's good. So don't let those leftovers go to waste. Make some sort of concoction. Easy enough on the Blackstone griddle, or any griddle for that matter. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up.